Google Data Analytics Professional Certification Practice Questions, Set 2. Question 1. Which of the following is used for data visualization? A. Tableau. B. Notepad. C. Excel. D. Visual Basic. The correct answer is A. Tableau. Tableau is widely used for creating interactive data visualizations. Question 2. What is a key characteristic of primary data? A. It is collected from existing sources. B. It is collected directly from the source. C. It is always quantitative. D. It is stored in a database. The correct answer is B. It is collected directly from the source. Primary data is first-hand data collected for a specific purpose. Question 3. Which type of chart is used to compare values across categories? A. Pie chart. B. Bar chart. C. Line chart. D. Scatter plot. The correct answer is B. Bar chart. Bar charts effectively compare values across different categories. Question 4. What is data wrangling? A. Cleaning and organizing raw data. B. Storing data in a database. C. Visualization of data. D. Analyzing data trends. The correct answer is A. Cleaning and organizing raw data. Data wrangling involves transforming raw data into a usable format. Question 5. Which of these is a type of unstructured data? A. CSV file. B. Emails. C. Excel sheet. D. SQL database. The correct answer is B. Emails. Unstructured data lacks a predefined structure, such as text in emails. Question 6. What does the term SQL stand for? A. Structured query language. B. Simple query language. C. Sequential query language. D. Standardized query language. The correct answer is A. Structured query language. SQL is a language used for managing and querying relational databases. Question 7. Which tool is primarily used for data analysis and reporting? A. Microsoft Word. B. Google Sheets. C. Excel. D. PowerPoint. The correct answer is C. Excel. Excel is one of the most popular tools for data analysis and reporting. Question 8. What is the main goal of exploratory data analysis? A. To test a hypothesis. B. To clean the data. C. To identify patterns and relationships. D. To visualize the results. The correct answer is C. To identify patterns and relationships. EDA is used to explore data and uncover patterns and relationships. Question 9. What is data normalization? A. Reducing the size of data. B. Standardizing data to a common scale. C. Cleaning data for consistency. D. Storing data in a relational format. The correct answer is B. Standardizing data to a common scale. Normalization adjusts values to a common scale for analysis. Question 10. Which is an example of quantitative data? A. Customer reviews. B. Product categories. C. Number of sales. D. Employee feedback. The correct answer is C. Number of sales. Quantitative data is numerical and measurable, like sales figures. Question 11. What is data visualization used for? A. To store data efficiently. B. To display data in visual formats. C. To clean data. D. To analyze trends. The correct answer is B. To display data in visual formats. Data visualization helps in presenting data in an easy-to-understand visual format. Question 12. Which software tool is commonly used for creating dashboards? A. Microsoft Word. B. Power BI. C. Photoshop. D. Google Docs. The correct answer is B. Power BI. Power BI is commonly used for creating data dashboards and reports. Question 13. What does data mining help with? A. Cleaning data. B. Finding patterns and trends in large datasets. C. Creating data visualizations. D. Predicting future trends. The correct answer is B. Finding patterns and trends in large datasets. Data mining uncovers hidden patterns in large datasets using algorithms. Question 14. Which of the following is an example of qualitative data? A. Age of customers. B. Survey responses on customer satisfaction. C. Sales figures. D. Temperature readings. The correct answer is B. Survey responses on customer satisfaction. Qualitative data involves descriptions, opinions, or categories, like survey responses. Question 15. Which is a good reason to perform data analysis? A. To visualize data in a creative way. B. To identify meaningful insights and patterns. C. To store data in databases. D. To clean and organize data. The correct answer is B. To identify meaningful insights and patterns. Data analysis uncovers insights that help in decision-making processes. Question 16. What is the main purpose of using pivot tables in Excel? A. To visualize data trends. B. To summarize and analyze large data sets. C. To create charts. D. To store data. The correct answer is B. To summarize and analyze large data sets. Pivot tables allow users to organize and summarize large datasets in Excel. Question 17. Which of the following is considered a clean dataset? A. A dataset with errors and missing values. B. A dataset free from outliers and duplicates. C. A dataset with no relevant information. D. A dataset with only qualitative data. The correct answer is B. A dataset free from outliers and duplicates. Clean datasets are free of errors, outliers, and irrelevant data. Question 18. Which is a primary function of SQL? A. Data mining. B. Data storage. C. Data manipulation and querying. D. Data analysis. The correct answer is C. Data manipulation and querying. SQL is used to manipulate and query relational databases for analysis. Question 19. What is the purpose of data analysis? A. To gather data. B. To uncover actionable insights. C. To clean data. D. To visualize trends. The correct answer is B. To uncover actionable insights. Data analysis is done to uncover insights and make data-driven decisions. Question 20. What is an example of quantitative data? A. Customer ratings. B. Product color. C. Annual revenue. D. Customer feedback. The correct answer is C. Annual revenue. Quantitative data is numerical, such as revenue or sales figures.